Yo, I'm Naz, and I'm dropping another impromptu review on y'all. And no, it's not of the reservoir um, car back. I did a review on that a while ago. I'll drop the links to that down in the description. But what we're actually doing a review of is the BAM. I know it looks like a generic box item, but in actuality, what it really is the Walker Edison Furniture Company Rustic Farmhouse Wood Dining Table. Now, don't mind those boxes back there. There's just more stuff I have to open and review. But right now, we're talking about this bad boy. But before we actually get into this bad boy, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell icon so that way you can be notified as soon as I put out another video. And if you actually like this video, please do me the honor of giving me a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And also share this to someone who you would think is going to like this table when I eventually get into it. So with that being said, let's get into this. Basically, like I said, it's a generic box item. On the front of the box there, it gives the item number, and it says the 72-inch distressed solid wood dining table, and it's the mahogany covered one. This is what it's going to look like. A little bit of artwork on the front there. Bong. Now, I know you might be asking because I did the review of the this table right here a while ago, and this table is a nice table, but our problem is that it's, as much as we thought it was going to be big enough for us, it's kind of not. It's a nice table, and we really like this table, but the best part about this table is that it folds down. So we can tuck this bad boy in the corner, and we could bring it out like when we have company or something like that. You know, once the pandemic and everything all clears up, and there's a vaccine, and the numbers start going down. Right now, it's just too crazy. So it's just gonna sit in the corner for a while before we end up using this table. But in the interim, bam, this bad boy, what we're gonna be using. So what I'm gonna do is get something to tear open this box so we take a look inside. So give me a second. Okay, when we finally get it open, this is what we're presented with. Got the little instruction manual, which we're definitely going to need this to make sure this is assembled nice and safe, and all the parts. So what I'm going to do, instead of going through taking everything out, you know what, let me position this and then time lapse it for you. That's what I think I'll do. All right. Okay. These are all our pieces right there. And now, through the power of Cinemagic, I'm going to snap my fingers, and the table is going to be together. Yeah, look at this bad boy, right? Right? Look how she came out, right? Like when you look, compare the two. Okay, let me just let you see. Like this one, it's cute. It's cute and all right? But this one, like I even like the look of it. I'm not a big fan of the mahogany color and all, but it kind of goes a little bit with a little bit of our decor in here once we clear out all the stuff. But yeah, I mean, I really like the table. I like it a lot. And it's substantial. Like it's solid. It's sturdy. It looks like real reclaimed like barn wood. I'm not sure if it is. If it feels like it could possibly be. I mean, maybe it's like manufactured reclaimed, or reclaimed manufactured, or whatever that word is. But whatever it is, it looks nice. It looks authentic. It's substantial. It's heavy, which is the main gripe that I had about this. As nice as this table is, it's very light. It's good for, like I said, like what we're going to use it for, an extra table. So I'm going to fold this bad boy down, maybe throw some plates or something like that on the shelves down there, and then fold this bad boy down. And then once we get rid of that crib over there that we're trying to see if anyone needs, we're going to just roll this over in the corner and just going to chill in the corner. And then, once this, quarantine and pandemic thing passes over and we start having people over for events, you know, we'll have that extra table we could bring out when we need it. But yeah, this is a very good, I'm going to say, stand-in or substitute, I should say, for the square table that we had for such a long time that I really like that table too. But it was just really huge. It took up almost this whole room. Like literally, that's like if I put these two side by side, that's how big our square table was. And I mean, it was great when you had people over, but it's just me and my wife and the little kitties, and we don't need that much room. You know, even this table right here is enough room for us, you know, but it's kind of tight. But this table right here, like, that's what it looks like underneath it. And it's sturdy. It's a lot of room. Yes, I'm gonna enjoy sitting at this table. You know, so if this is something you're looking for, links will be down in the description down below. Drop a comment down there. Let me know what you think about this table. I really like it, and I think that you will too. And it's a good price. So check out the links and check out some of the other things that I have down there in the description also. So with that being said, I'm Nez, and this has been the review of the Walker Edison distressed solid wood dining table. You know, I'm not sure if that's the name that I called it in the beginning, but I'm trying to remember off the top of my head. Like I said, down in the description, definitely pick this bad boy up. It's a nice table, sturdy. And it also comes in gray if you're, you know, if you like the gray look. But so you have the mahogany and then you have the gray. Check down the links. I'm Nez, cop that, and I'm out this piece.